Alright, good evening. Welcome to Marion Oaks. Just got the go-ahead to list this property. I'm in Marion Oaks North, just off of Marion Oaks Trail, actually right on Marion Oaks Trail. But it does dead end right down there at the end of the street, so it's not too bad with traffic. This is a large 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Built in 2006-7, somewhere in there. Going on the market for $164,900. We'll go inside, take a look here. Most of the carpeting, actually all the carpeting's been removed, so you can come in and do what you want to with these floors. Main living room and your dining area here. And take a look at the master bedroom. Nice high ceilings in here. Carpet's been ripped out. And in the master bath, got a double sink there with a little linen closet, master closet, garden tub, another master closet, step-in shower, and a water closet with a commode. And again, the master bedroom. And come back around, show you this dining area. And this steps over here into the kitchen. And you got one pantry here, nice light maple cabinets, stove, dishwasher, refrigerator and microwave are all here. There's another pantry there. And you got this entrance out to the back porch. And the neighbors have as a privacy fence, so you get some fencing for free. And family room here. Again, no carpeting. And there are some holes in the walls that are going to need to be patched or painted. Another view of the kitchen here. And we'll come down the hallway to the 3 additional bedrooms. So here's the guest bath here. The linen closet. And this is bedroom number 1, guest bedroom number 1. And it does have a door that goes into that bathroom. And you can see down the hallway there, you're going to need a door or 2 in this house. Air conditioner looks fairly new, 2011. And again, these closet doors are all in the garage. I'll show you those in just a minute. There is, like I said, some drywall damage from flooring, paint, carpet, your typical stuff. Priced at $164,900. You can put some work into this thing and have a nice home. Alright, let's go back down the hallway and take a look out in that garage area. And again, back into the family room and the kitchen. And there's the living room and front door, dining room. Of course, you got inside laundry here. And the garage, it's got a big workbench that may or may not get removed before closing. Garage door opener, attic access, and there's all the missing closet doors. And a hot water tank. Breaker panel. So this is going on the market today. Give us a call, Kiefer Realty, 352-861-6000. We'd love to make this your new home. Call us. 352-861-6000.